everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level vocabulary lesson, and this is going to be part one of nationalities and countries. All right, so do you know this country? Or this country? What country in Europe is this? This would be Italy. This is the United States. What about this country? So we're going to talk about country, nationality, and language. So this person says, I come from Brazil. So Brazil is the country. So I am Brazilian. Brazilian is the nationality. And I speak Portuguese, which is the language. He is from France. He is French. He speaks French. He is from Japan. He is Japanese. He speaks Japanese. I love eating Italian food. I love British comedy. So where are you from? You can answer the questions. I am from. So for me, I would say I am from the United States, but you can answer what's true for you. Where were you born? If you were born in a different country or the same country. So I would say I was born in the United States. And what nationality are you? For me, I would say I am American. And what language do you speak in your country? For me, I would say we speak English, but you can answer for yourself. All right, so where is Alex from? Alex is from Spain. So where was Alex born? So Alex was born in Spain. What is Alex's nationality? Alex is Spanish. And what language does Alex speak? Alex speaks Spanish. Now answer these questions about Tim. So where is Tim from? Tim is from Canada. Where was Tim born? Tim was born in Canada. What is Tim's nationality? Tim is Canadian. And what language or languages does Tim speak? So he probably speaks English and possibly French. Those are some areas of Canada where they speak French. All right, here's just some review of the different countries, nationalities, and languages. You can either pause the video and read on your own or follow along as I read. So we have Australia. The people are Australian and they speak English. People from Brazil are Brazilian and they speak Portuguese. From Egypt, they're Egyptian, they speak Arabic. From France, they are French and they speak French. From Italy, they are Italian and they speak Italian. From Japan, they're Japanese and they speak Japanese. From Spain, they are Spanish and they speak Spanish. From the UK, they are British and they speak English. And from the United States, they are American and speak English. Here are a few more. Canada, Canadian, English and French. Argentina, Argentinian, Spanish. India, Indian, they speak Hindi. Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabian, and Arabic. Germany, German, German. Switzerland, Swiss, they speak German and French. Korea, the people are Korean and they speak Korean. In Russia, the people are Russian and they speak Russian. In Portugal, the people are Portuguese and they speak Portuguese. And in Turkey, they are Turkish and they speak Turkish. Okay, so Mercedes is what kind of car? So Mercedes is a German car. So Coca-Cola and McDonald's are American companies. Sushi is a type of Japanese food. Armani and Gucci are Italian clothing brands. So now you're going to use either French or France in these sentences. You can pause the video, try those on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, she was born in Paris, the capital city of France. Her nationality is French. She speaks French and English. Her mother cooks French food. For holidays, she drives to Nice in the south of France to go to the beach. And she generally reads books in French. Okay, you're going to fill in the gaps with these words from the boxes. So I love Italian food. My favorite dishes are pasta and pizza. Italy is a country in southern Europe. It is bordered by France, Switzerland, Austria, and Slovenia. I love Japanese food. I especially like sushi. And Japan is a country made up of 4 small main islands. In Brazil, people speak Portuguese. Brazil and Portugal are the 2 main countries where people speak Portuguese. Brazil is a big country in South America, and the Brazilian football team has won the World Cup 5 times. In the United States, people speak English. So English and Canadian. Probably sorry, this one we already used English, so we could say American. And Canadian people both speak English. And the United States is the 3rd biggest country in the world, and it is located in North America. So do you know this flag? Well, this is the British flag, or the flag of the UK. This is the flag for the United States. This is the flag for Germany. This is the Japanese flag. And so see if you can name each country and its nationality. You can go ahead and try that on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So we have the United Kingdom, France, Spain, Germany, and Italy. And so their nationalities would be British, French, Spanish, German, and Italian. Again, try to name each nationality and language. So this is Canadian, and the nationality is Canadian, and they speak English and French. Russians speak Russian. The Japanese speak Japanese, and the Australians speak English. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.